Hi, it's Sandy Parker, and welcome to Crafting for Almost Everyone. Today I'm going to just do a really quick tip on how to label mica powders. I hope you'll stay tuned. So I bought this set of mica powders from Amazon. I think it was $12 or $13 for 30 of them. I thought that was a pretty good deal, considering I normally just get my powders from the Dollar Tree, and it's through that LA Colors eyeshadow. It's $1, obviously, but they're very limited on colors, and I wanted to try to make some like glitter powders out of mica powder and glue. I saw another YouTuber do that and I thought that's really cool. I'm going to give that a whirl. Anyway, those are the colors I got, but I will show you what they look like. I'll put it there, maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. I'll show you the ones that I thought were trickiest. The green family. Obviously this one's much different, but the rest of them are pretty similar in color. So what I decided I would do with all of them is I would just open the bottle and label. Well, first I would take one of these. I got these at the Dollar Tree, very inexpensive. They're round adhesive labels. Then I took my 1/2-inch punch and I just punched inside these circles so that I'd have an adhesive to stick on them. And then I'll show you from there what I did. After I got my hole punch, I punched it and I stuck it on top like that. And then if there was some on the top, like there is on this one, I kind of rubbed it onto the label to see if I had enough there to really get the color across the top. This isn't as good as I'd want it to be. I really want to see the color, so what I did is I just kind of did that so that I had mica powder on the lid, and then I just rubbed it in like that. You want to make sure that your color is consistent on the top, so you want to make sure you do enough that you get that color. Mine are labeled on the front. This one says coffee color, and I'll show you. This one is called brown green. I don't know, when I was holding them next to each other, I had no idea what colors they were, so I wanted to label them. I don't necessarily know if this is really brown green, but maybe I needed to put a little bit more in the lid to see if that's a problem. Maybe that was, maybe I didn't rub enough in. I don't think that's the problem. I think it's just a matter of my idea of what brown green would look like is not the same as their idea of brown. Oh no, I didn't put enough on the lid. There we go. But it still isn't green. It's brown, like that. So let me show you the LA Colors. I think that's what it's called, LA Colors. Every time I used to go to the Dollar Tree, I would check to see if they had any new ones in stock. And this one is brown and this one is peach colored. Since it's so big, I'm just going to put it right there on top. How about that? It was exactly the right size. What are the odds? Really? Seriously, what are the odds? Okay, this one is the peach colored mica powder. And this one might have been just regular mica powder that I had in other jewelry, or other eyeshadows that I decanted, because I don't remember if the peach was one of the ones from the Dollar Tree or not. So there is what the peach looks like, and then the brown, in case you guys ever buy these and then you want to know if it's a color that would work for you for your projects or not. I'm just going to take another one of these little stickers now that I've got a system. Jeepers creepers, who would have thought? Oh, these containers came from the Dollar Tree too. And I'm just going to take some of the brown, put it on there. Now obviously this is not going to last a lifetime. It's going to rub off because there's no sealant on it. If you wanted it to last for a long time, what you could do is you could put a little bit of Mod Podge across each one of your stickers, and that would work, and it would seal it in. Or you can spray it with a sealant. But I wanted to just show you this so that you knew how to know what your colors are from a glance from above. And if you are interested in trying this project with me, where we're making like a glitter paste out of mica powder and glue, I'll be doing that in an upcoming video. I would say in the next week. Hope that you enjoyed this, that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and please tell your friends about me on social media because you know I love that. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.